This video is to teach you how to do a screen grab. The first thing you're going to do is type in the search bar, snipping tool, and it'll come up in your apps menu. You're going to hit pin to taskbar, so then it is always there on the bottom row or the taskbar of your Chrome window. So once you pin to taskbar, you're going to click on this icon. Here you're going to click New. As you can see, it grays out the back and it gives me an arrow. Here I'm going to click a portion of my screen with the left hand click on my mouse, and it saves it onto my screen. Here I'm going to click Copy if I want to paste it into another document, or I'm going to save it if I'm going to save it in my desktop or on one of my folders. When you save it, make sure that you name it something that you can remember so that you can find it at a later date. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your instructional tech team or the technology